Hi and welcome to Seasparkles Corner. Today, as my son calls it, we're doing the cheap sword challenge. Oh, gotta unsnap it. Versus a tea kettle. Okay, now let me explain. I know there's nothing wrong with that tea kettle, but we no longer use tea kettles because one, we have a microwave, two, we have a K-cup maker, three, we just got so many things that's no longer needed. That is now out of date. So we're going to give it to enough taps. Time to destroy. I think a sledgehammer would do better. It's a drum! It's a drum!
Come on, let it out. You're supposed to be trying to break the sword.
I'm gonna go get a sledgehammer.
Oh, come on here.
Alright. I'm afraid to break the sword. Okay, there you go. The sword is tougher than I thought. That tea kettle used to even whistle. I really wanted to do it with a sledgehammer.
I'd say cheap sword kind of won that.
Yeah. And if you need a hat for your sword, there you have one. There, I had to give it a few going away wax. There's another going away wax.
Oh, no, we're not done yet.
Alright, here's what I wanted to use to begin with. Whoops.
Flip it over.
Okay. Hey, people, this is a good workout. Alright, I'm not going to take all the wax. I'm getting tired from doing it. Dave's going to finish it. My opinion is finish.
Yeah, don't come in yet.
Whoa! Tap, tap. There you have it. Do not eat that, even though it looks like a pancake.
I think we find all the carnage.
Unless, of course, you're one of those metal eaters from Johnny Test, whatever it's called. There you have it. Teacup 0, Sledgehammer victory with his tag team partner Sword victory.
Well, Everybody gotta go.
Victory! That sledgehammer wins. Well, there you have it. The fun never ends in Seasparkles Corner. Thank you for viewing. Hope you enjoyed this, as we say, adieu to history. An ancient wrestling teapot that, oh goodness knows how long I had it. I even forgot I had it. I found it when I was redoing, emptying out a closet. So, there you have it. Thank you for watching. The fun never ends in Seasparkles Corner. Feel free to share. Feel free to subscribe. As always, we love you. Hugs and kisses from us to you. We appreciate all of our viewers and all of our subscribers. Bye, everybody.
All right, you recording? All right. This is an addendum in addition onto the cheap sword tea kettle destruction video, because the guy had to remember to do an analysis on the cheap sword after it was used. So basically, remember that from the first one of this, that this was ordered and is being used as it was, no additional care or sharpening until basically this is completely ruined. That's the point to this sword. So here we go. This has remained unaffected. However, here we have some bending on the actual blade. We got here some scuffs and dings. And down to the tip here, we actually have some we have here some dents in the actual blade. Of course, some concrete from when it hit concrete. And other than that, it's still relatively in good shape. It needs some more abuse. So you'll be seeing this again. Alright? So, because basically this is going to be keep going through stuff until it's basically completely ruined. That's the point to it. Alright. So, there you have it. That's the damage analysis on the cheap sword from when it went up against the tea kettle. And record. Send it.